Hi guys, hope you are doing well and you are watching Hyper IT Tech channel. And in this video I'm going to show you that how we can check the activity history on any file or folder over the Google Drive, so that you can confirm that what type of activity uh, performed in the past over the folder or file. So it's very simple. Within a minute you can check each and everything. So let's say I have created one test folder. This one is basically a old folder when I was created. So I'm going to show you the activities, that what type of activities we were performed on this folder. And same rule will be applied onto the Excel file, Word file, or whatever document you have onto the OneDrive. You can check through the same way forward. So once you have the folder, you have to click on the three dots, then click onto the folder information, then you have to click onto the details. You have all the details available here, but our main target point is the activity. So what type of activity uh, performed over this folder. So you can see that on August 22 we created this folder, and we restricted the access on September 10 2024. So through this way forward you can check all the activities uh, that are performed on your folder or file or whatever document you have on Google Drive. Hope you enjoyed this video, and like, subscribe, forward to your family and friends. Thank you. Bye bye.